Bomba dog. It's a shotgun shell, this my youth.
Yeah, dog. Bomba, look at one fine. Shotgun shell, dog. Yeah, see that true car, so the thing there right there, sir?
Yeah. Welcome on everybody. So I'm there again for another. Oh, hold on, pause. Yes, I don't know. Check out the merch, check out the wear. Check it out. On the back of the shirt. I don't know what sponsor. Set it up nice and neat.
Yeah. You hear me?
Yeah.
Big bad sponsor.
Let me see at Ian.
Up.
Oh yeah, we're there with Ian today. It's our first and I see him on the channel. I like the second time.
Second time, yeah.
Let me see it now. Yeah, the thing fishy man.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, we're there downtown today. We're doing some magnet fishing downtown. We're not doing too much talking, we'll just get to the less talking and more throwing, right?
Yeah, and remember,
More sticking.
Rogue Magnetics, big up in the south. If you don't want merch and everything, and Magnet as well, the code down there, so I need in the description so you can get to the Magnet and everything, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, the link to it there in the description and the code. What have you found at the card? Yeah.
You want to see the fish them out there? My rod can't even catch it.
Which one?
Eh? Elsha.
Not only
But
found
I
this.
catch a tar pan, I say reach. From here, sir, look.
Like in a Asia?
Eh, no man, pass Elsha.
Oh shit, my foot on my gloves. 50 pound in. Oh, you're in there, sir? Alright. You say you want to hook? That's one look out. You know want this dog, this black and ugly.
Oh, that's not good.
And then see sinker here? Tell us a nail and something there, you know. Nail and thing they made and them used to sinker. Huh? Yeah. Find one big piece of nail. And I don't know what is. I don't know what is this. Another bottle cap. Lad.
Then I'm supposed to sing out the two. Yeah, with a precious metal in the water.
Got some enough have on the pants, you know.
Don't think no else.
Eh?
Silver supposed to put a port royal to you, so you can do that.
Which one I put oil?
Must try the port royal swim.
So you can swim there, sir?
You get a little boat or even like scuba diving and
Yeah.
true, you know. Because not out there the scuba diving place, you know.
Yeah. What is now? I don't know what is this.
You want to start Gemini after? Yeah.
I find one more piece of nail. And some other shellings.
Sure.
This now. And what is? Claud, where you think this way?
What up?
This?
This?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Look like a shotgun shell, but it look like a real name nephew.
Cap?
Cap, yeah.
So tough? Bomba.
Tough?
Yo, it's a gun shell, it's my youth.
Is a gun shell?
Look on the back of here, sir.
Let me look properly.
And feel very tough.
Oh yeah man, a gun shell no cast the lining around that part there. But wait, right in.
Rain never shell low, so tough, my rain everything
Yeah.
can squeeze and collapse easy. Hold on there. Bomba dog. It's a shotgun shell, it's my youth.
Yeah dog. Bomba, look at one fine. Shotgun shell dog. Yeah, see that true car, so the thing there right there, sir?
Yeah. See that? My first, well not first, my best find of the day, a shotgun shell. I'm not going to report this today because this is just a shell.
Want the first throw?
Yeah, you can throw. Alright. Eh?
No, boss.
Yeah, nothing on it. So what it out off of the wall, you know? Oh yeah, you don't find nothing at all. Go in and see what this is. Yeah, you don't find nothing. What that?
Look like a umbrella hook or something.
Oh, rotted. Oh, it's a umbrella cap.
Yeah.
And then you find a nail, one more sinker.
One more sinker. $10.
A bottle.
Oh, no,
Sorry about that.
my yacht.
A bottle cap, two bottle cap, and a $10. You go pay your face?
Yeah, brother.
Oh, We're gonna come now, so I'm going on the car.
You come and show your friend. You're rain and fall people. Yeah, John.
So I'll just what's the one there?
One in your bag.
You wanna wash my hand first now?
Take the one in my bag.
Give me a wipes.
Still a record.
Huh?
Still a record.
Yeah, I know. I still cut it. Alright, so rain start fall. So we'll pause for a bit. And if it don't stop fall, then I eat that for the day.
Go for the stop.
I have to continue the vlog the next day. You can't tell me that.
That's too heavy, yo. Hear that? That's too heavy. See it big.
Watch it before it slip off and bust your head. Yeah, on you walk on. But I still don't have nothing much. I wish probably had the good thing, all the good thing them. Fine, something else in the Claud. I don't know. Let me try pull it up now. Keep on come off. Ah. And what is? Yeah, one cup there night. One cup. Ah, him jump out. So what is though, man? Yeah, if it's an iron, it's an iron.
It's a steel.
Yeah.
Probably come out of one of the things that were disintegrate or something, one of the metallic things, one of them concrete something.
Yeah.
Whatever I found.
What did they find?
Yeah. It's a regular piece of
Piece of
yeah,
metal. Look like, I don't know.
I don't know what them thing.
The unknown.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh liquid.
$20.
$20.
Bottle stopper.
Bottle stopper.
And a nail as a sinker or lower or whatever them call.
And a big piece of nail.
Yeah. I'm gonna swim over there.
Huh? They come in for the magnet?
Yeah.
Spoon.
Whoa.
Wow, oh my god, you found a spoon.
Spoon charging. You know the hungry belly people, let me know.
Wow. First I'm seeing something like that. Wow. It's a spoon.
What is this? What is that? Yeah, what is? Eh?
How that?
I don't know what it has to come off. Is that next magnet?
Look, sir. No.
No. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Run him siding. I feel like you find treasure with it?
Yeah. The only thing is that you might have to go in the water. So.
Yeah?
The only thing is that the water, so you probably have to go in the water. Find this piece of nail. I don't know what is this.
Alright. Alright.
Ah! This look nasty. Crab the on it too. This is stuck too. This is in the root out of the gun. Yeah man, this stuck too. Look at the hook in here so.
Yeah. No.
Ah, they actually.
Like you pull it off a sitting.
Yeah, you have to choke this again.
You hear him say?
See there?
A sign in that.
I go out there man. Another piece of iron or steel. Add. What is now? This looks like a piece of railing. Crack says something there, so something definitely there, so. Claud! Claud! Bring the next magnet come. Yeah. Something heavy there, so what my magnet can't hold it. Yeah. Can't believe it, the camera battery, my GoPro battery dead while me a magnet fish. I don't even know when it dead. But this is the last thing we find. Something there, so, but it now come up. Some kind of mesh thing there, so I try to pull up as much as possible. What that, battery?
No, like some.
No, battery that.
Like one zip line type like thing for tight.
And what that dog?
You don't know this?
No?
Zip line like it tight, it like one zip line tight thingy.
Oh.
Yeah. What is?
Find a knife, you know?
Knife?
Yeah.
Look here.
It's a murder weapon.
Murder weapon again, yard.
Oh boy, look how this look dangerous, man.
Murder weapon yard. Oh boy.
No man, that's something else big and heavy and now come up. Oh my god. Something just there come up, you know. I'm gonna make it with this.
We are both exhausted, everybody. We try. We got a couple stuff, yes. We got coins, we catch a fish. We catch a coin, we get coins, we got fish, we got some metal, we got fences, and we got murder weapon as usual, isn't it? So yeah, people, so that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Big up to our sponsors once more. Rogue Magnetic. You can get the link, or you can get your own magnet with the link provided in the description with our special code. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great one. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Tell a friend, make a friend, tell a friend, and friend a friend, tell a friend. You see me? Where's the vote? Peace out.
Yeah.
Alright, until next time, everyone. Peace. Alright, so just remember, this came in the mail with the merch. Rogue Magnetic, so sit here, read it out to you. So it's a hi Noel, welcome to the Rogue family. We're excited to have you on the team. Let us know if anything, let us know anything if we can help you out with. I'm gonna read that again.
See how many know what I do?
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so just realized that we got this with the merch from our sponsor Rogue Magnetic. Here it is. So let me read it out for you guys. So it said, hi Noel, welcome to the Rogue family. We're excited to have you on the team. Let us know anytime if we can help you out with anything. We're behind you, 100%. Team Rogue, let's go. Thank you to our sponsors.